Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Today is Monday. Today we will talk about Earth Day. We will talk about our 3 new sight words, and we'll review sounds and other sight words, okay? Before we get started, I wanted to talk to you about one thing. As you may or may not have heard, we are not going back to school this year. Our governor has, with a lot of other governors, has decided that it is safer for us to learn at home than it is to learn at school. So it's a huge bummer, right? It's a huge bummer. We had a good thing going in our room, friends. We really, really did. But this is what's best. This is what's safest. I'm also very sad about it. So you're not alone in your sadness, but we're going to get through it together, okay? And I will see you again, okay? I know some of you might be a little worried. Will I ever see Mrs. Forrester again? And you will, okay? I'll still be at Lewis and Clark in the fall. So if you are back at Lewis and Clark for first grade, I'll be in the hallway. You'll see me in the gym. You can come down whenever you need anything, okay? So let's keep going and let's get started with our day. All right, here we go. You ready for our morning message? April 20th, 2020. Good morning. Today is Monday. I want a cookie now. Can you say please? It will be a great day. I can and I will. Love, Mrs. Forrester. All right. We have 3 new words this week. 3 new words. I bet you can figure out what some of them are. One of them, we're going to start with the one that we have read forever, every single day. And you're probably thinking, what? There's a word on there that we haven't learned, that we talk about every single day? We've already talked about I, can, and I will. We've already talked about those. We've already talked about it, be, a. We've already talked about, I think that's all the ones that repeat. We've already talked about you. What could it be? You guys, it's this word right here. Every single day, we've talked about this word. Do you know what it is? You're right. It's good. Everybody, what's this word? Good. Everybody spell it. G-O-O-D. Good. Where do we say good? At the very top. Good morning. There it is. Every single day. You probably already know it. That's probably going to be an easy one for you. Oh, I did not open the blinds for Gus. So sorry for any noises you hear. Okay, what about this word? You might be able to tap this one out. This word is please. Everybody, what's this word? Good. Please. Please. When we use our manners, we say please. So I hope you're saying please a lot at home. Mom, can I please have a snack? Dad, will you please read me a story? Because Mom and Dad are doing a lot for us right now, right? So let's make sure we're really using this word. Oh, I have to circle it. What is this word? Yep, we already went through that. It's please. Do you see please on my board? I was kind of demanding. I said, I want a cookie now. And someone said, can you say please? I can say please. Can I please have a cookie now? It's the morning, Mrs. Forrester. You shouldn't want a cookie. But I do. All right, last new word. This word is say. Say. Everybody say it? Good. Say. Do you see say on the board? I ask you, can you say please? Say. So we've got our 3 new words this week. Let's talk about it. Well, let's review them. Sorry. Let me give the other old words. Ready? Ears on. Please. Please. P-L-E-A-S-E. You do that now. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. It's a long one. It takes us a little bit to get those long ones down. Whoa. Struggling. Say. Say. S-A-Y. Say. Good. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Must. M-U-S-T, must. R-O-U-R, R. New, new. N-E-W, new. Funny, funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Ride, ride. R-I-D-E, ride. Down, down. D-O-W-N, down. Get, get. G-E-T, get. Jump, jump. J-U-M-P, jump. She, S-H-E, she. Will, W-I-L-L, will. Find, F-I-N-D, find. Little, L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Eat, E-A-T, eat. Now, N-O-W, now. Repeating ears off. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my computer charger because my computer is about to die. 1 second. All right, sorry about that. I only had 9% left and we were dropping quickly, so I had to go get my charger. Okay, we reviewed our sight words. Let's practice please one more time. What's this word? Please, everybody spell it. P-L-E-A-S-E. Do it again. P-L-E-A-S-E. Please. Good job. Okay, let's find our punctuation, shall we? I think they're all up there today. What's this one? Period. You guys are rock stars. How many periods do you see? I see 2 as well. Yep, so we've got one after Monday, and we've got one after day. Day and day. Look at that, where the 2 periods are. Funny. All right, what about this guy? What's this guy called? You're right, it's a question mark. Do we have any question marks on the board today? We do. I ask you, can you say please? That's where my question is. I asked a question. Well, I guess I kind of asked myself because you didn't demand a cookie this morning. I demanded a cookie. What's this one called? You're right. It's an exclamation point. I said, I want a cookie now. And then we said, can you say please? Can I please have a cookie now? There's my exclamation point. I was very excited. I had a lot of in my voice. I want a cookie now. I didn't just say, I want a cookie. I want it now, which is why I put that exclamation point on it. Do I have another exclamation point? I can, and I will. Good. Alrighty. On Friday, it was day 23 of distance learning. So in my cups, let me pull them over. In my cups, I had, oh, you can't really see it with the sun. I'll just keep it up today. Okay, sorry. I had 2 bundles, 10, 20, and I had 3 single straws for 23. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, so if I add 1 more single straw to the hundreds, but it can't go in the hundreds bucket. Okay, then to the 10, no, to the ones. Okay, so if I add 1 single pencil to the ones bucket, to the singles, 23 plus 1 would be 24. Good. So I have 4 singles and 2 bundles for 24 days of distance learning. I think when we left school, we were at day 125. So that's pretty crazy to think about. Okay. let's review some sounds. Ready? Ears on. W, wind. R, rat. Z, zebra. Q, queen. V, van. P, pan. T, top. N, nut. S, snake. F, fun. K, kite. D, dog. J, jug. G, game. L, lamp. H, hat. M, man. B, bat. A, apple. C, cat. E, ed. Y, yellow. O, octopus. U, up. I, itch. X, fox. Good job. Ears off. Okay, we did our morning message. We counted the days at home. Sight words, sounds. I think we're ready to move on to talking about Earth Day. Earth Day is on Wednesday, and it's a day where we celebrate our Earth and talk about the things we do to help it stay healthy. And something cool that is happening with this virus, because the virus is all over the earth. I wish I had a globe with me, but they're at school. But remember when we talk about cylinders and I grab that globe, that's our earth. That's a model of our earth. The virus is over the whole earth, okay? The whole world is dealing with this virus. It's not just us in America. It's everywhere, okay? And something cool about that is our earth is, everyone's staying home, so our earth is kind of getting to take a deep breath and kind of take a minute, and it's getting to be a little bit healthier in some ways. So in Italy, which is a place far from here, they have these canals that go through their town, okay? So there's a building, and then there's a river that goes right by it, and there are dolphins swimming in it, okay? They're in our national parks, so the big parks that are in the country, there are animals that are just roaming everywhere because they don't have to worry about people. So that's pretty cool that on Earth Day, or the Earth Days month, or whatever we want to call it, Earth Days Wednesday, that our earth gets to kind of take a minute to breathe. And that's really, really cool. That's a good thing that is coming out of this virus, is that our wildlife and our earth can really take a deep breath and just breathe for a minute. So that's really cool. So let's go ahead and talk about Earth Day. So we are going to do an Earth Day graph. So it's called Earth Friendly. It says color, which we can't really do that. And then cut, graph, and glue. And then we're going to talk about which one has more and fewer. So on the side, I have this long dotted line, which if we were at school, we would use our scissors and cut. We'd cut it and we'd glue it into the graph. But today, if I can get my tools to come up, there it is. Okay, let me pick out my colors. All right, we're gonna start with orange. So we are going to color the pictures and then put them into the right spot, okay? So share a ride. That's good for the earth because there would be less cars on the road, and when you drive your car, it kind of puts out a gas, and the gas isn't the best thing for the earth. So if you share a ride, that is one way to help our earth. So Let's color and count the vans. Give me 1 second. I cannot see. Uh-oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, the first one is a bottle. Let me move this up. Sorry, when I have my tools out that you can't see, but I can see, I can't see the whole worksheet. But now I'm ready to go. Okay, so sharing a ride. Ready? Let's color and count. 1, that's not the one that I want. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sharing a ride. So we're going to come over here and we're going to color 5 boxes. Color with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Filled it all up. Rockin'. Okay, recycle. Recycle is those blue bins. It was the red bin outside of our classroom. That's a recycle bin. And when you put things in there, they can be reused. They can be remade into something that you can reuse. So sometimes when we had scrap paper from our art projects, we'd put it in there so that it could go and then be turned into something else, like a notebook or a paper plate. There's a bunch of different things they can make with recycled objects. There's actually some companies that are making shoes out of plastic bottles. It's really cool what people can do. So we are going to color all of the bottles blue for recycle. So let's count. 1, 2. Only 2 bottles for recycle. 1, 2. Okay. Excuse me. And then the last one is pick up trash. So some of you may have been doing this at your time at home. There's this challenge going around where you can go through your neighborhood and pick up trash that's on the street. And then you take a picture and then you post it to show how you're helping your earth. And that's been really fun to watch. So picking up trash, that's good for our earth. We shouldn't litter. So if you're in the car and you have some trash, you should just hold on to that until you get home or until you get to school and can throw it away. Because litter is bad for our earth. Animals could eat it and then they could get sick because they can't eat trash. So let's count how much trash we're going to pick up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right, let's color the boxes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have our graph, and now we're going to answer the questions below. So, which has more? Does recycling or picking up trash have more? Picking up trash has more. There are 1, 2, 3 picking up trash and 1, 2 recycling. So you can see just by looking at the picture that there is 1 more. Which one has fewer? Now think about what fewer means. Yeah, it means less. Which one has fewer? Recycling or sharing a ride? Recycling. That one's really easy to see, right? There's only 2, and then this one has 5 all the way up. Which one has more? Sharing a ride or recycling? Well, we just did which one has fewer, so it has to be the opposite answer, right? The van. The van has more. The van has 5, and the recycling only has 2. Which one has fewer of sharing a ride or picking up trash? Which one has fewer or less? Yep, picking up trash is less. Good. Okay, so there is our Earth Day graph. We are going to keep talking about Earth Day this week. We're going to do a couple more activities. I'll be sending out a choice board, and that has a couple of Earth Day activities that you can choose to do if you want to, but you certainly don't have to. Please, please, please continue to work on your at-home learning packet. Those are available at school. You can pick them up from 8 to 1. It's currently 8:41 while I'm recording this. You'll probably get it in about 15 minutes. So school is open. Ms. Porter is there. You can go get your packet from her. If you have any troubles getting your packet, parents, shoot me a message and we can work something out to make sure you get a packet. But please, please make sure that you are working on that packet. It is so, so important, okay? Like I said at the beginning of this video, we will not be going back to school, but that doesn't mean that our school year is over, okay? We are going to be doing this until May 15th, okay? So we got about a month left together doing our Zoom meetings, our choice boards, our packets, our morning meetings. Please stick with me. I know that it is not easy, but we are all in this together, so let's finish strong, okay? Have a super great, awesome Little Redbird Monday. Bye, friends.